Hi, dear beauties. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel of Safeera, and welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and styles. I hope so you all are fine, good, and enjoying very good conditions of your health. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, you are going to find out more than 100 plus styles and designs of 2025 summer season's floral midi dresses for beautiful ladies and girls. So you are going to find out alien style midi dresses, skater midi dresses, umbrella style midi dresses, chiffon fabric, cotton fabric, silk fabric, georgette fabric, summer seasons floral midi dresses for enhancing your styles and look in your summer season. Beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designs, beautiful colors combinations, amazing stitching techniques of dresses for enhancing your styles and look. You will be fine out full sleeve styles, half sleeve styles, sleeveless dresses with an amazing neck designs, alien style dresses, midi dresses, skater dresses, ruffle work styles, frill styles, hem style dresses, short frock style dresses. So you will carry these styles of floral midi dresses for your daily work wears, even for your party wears, evening wears. College going, university going girls will also carry these styles of summer season's floral midi dresses for their daily looks and styles. All over print style midi dresses, patchwork style midi dresses, lace work styles. If you are looking for latest collection, latest styles, and latest designs of summer season's floral midi dresses, so these are the best latest collection, latest styles, and latest designs of summer season's floral midi dresses, dear beautiful ladies. You are going to find out in this video. So must watch video till the end. Don't skip any idea, don't skip any design, don't skip any styles of midi dress. I love all these designs, I love all these styles, and I hope so, dear beautiful ladies and girls, you will love these too. You will love these styles and designs. Most of these dresses are in chiffon fabric and georgette fabric. So these fabrics are the best choice for your summer seasons. As summers is a hot weather and these fabrics are lightweight, stylish, sweet dresses. I love all these designs and I hope so, dear beautiful ladies, you will love these too. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of summer season's floral materials, so please, dear beautiful ladies and girls, do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. Don't forget to share your kind opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, about my channel. Tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos, which type of more content will be useful and helpful for you. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so much share your kind opinions in the comment section. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share your opinions in the comment section. Dear beauties, don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. And you will get all the notifications of my videos on daily basis. So as you can see, different and unique styles of summer season's floral midi dresses, you will get the ideas how to style your midi dresses, how to wear your midi dresses with beautiful and suitable accessories, how to style your look, how to style your midi dresses. So must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear beautiful ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye and watch the video till the end. Let's enjoy the video.